10 years ago, I was about 35 pounds overweight, post-menopausal, and I had a black belt in codependency. I had forgotten to take care of myself. I became a footnote in my own story. Who am I now that I'm in midlife? Because I refuse to become a cliche. And I'm certainly not settling. But that raises an even bigger question. How did I get here? And what has to change? 10 years ago, I was about 35 pounds overweight, post-menopausal, and I had a black belt in codependency. That was the extent of my fitness. And the truth is, that realization scared me. It challenged me. And honestly, I didn't want to face it, but I had to, because I was not about to surrender my true self anymore. Can you relate? It was daunting, and it was also a little bit embarrassing that I even let it get this way, that it went that far, right? And then I remembered an important detail. I used to be a sassy go-getter. I was the kind of woman who believed it was better to say I'm sorry than wait to get permission. Was that you too? I bet it was. So I pulled sassy Stella out of the closet. Actually, maybe it was out of the laundry hamper or the kitchen, but you know what I mean. And I said, all right, girl, we gotta start. Just start. Just one small step. Like the astronaut said. So I joined a real gym. Treadmills, weights, nice big windows to look out of. And I made an appointment with a yummy personal trainer. And I started something really simple. 30 minutes, that's it. 4 days a week. At first, I was terrified. I was embarrassed, and I was trying to act cool like Jane Fonda out of the 80s. You know what I mean? You know that vibe. I got the gym game on. After the first week, my muscles were killing me. But that was actually a good thing, because it meant I still had some. And yes, repetition rewards. For those of you who have been following my journey since 2016, you know who you are. Let's fast forward to today. I am a half marathon finisher at 68. Who knew? And let me tell you something. It was not a sprint to get there. There were many days where my body said, no chance, baby. But this time, I wasn't going to give up on myself. I had reached the end of my old self mindset. Good place to be. And there was no turning back. Not this time. Well, it took 10 years to get here. But I always say, time is going to pass anyway. And there's much more to this story. So, if you're in the middle of midlife, you know where that is, and you're asking yourself that same question, who am I now? And you refuse to become a midlife cliche, then stay with me. Because in this series, we're talking about the 10-year exhale. How women are quietly rebuilding their lives. We're all in this together, one small step at a time. And trust me, we keep it real over here. This channel isn't for weenies, so I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Have an empowered week.